Hello, welcome to this course. So I'm teacher Melai and let's talk about fundamental concepts of mathematics. So for the course details, as mentioned, the course name is Fundamental Concepts of Mathematics. So in this subject, we are expected to discuss the following. So we're going to cover sets, principles of logics, methods of proof, relations, functions, integers, binary operations, complex numbers, matrices, and matrix operations, and also an introduction to mathematical system. So this course is equivalent to 3 units lecture. And before enrolling this course, you must finish pre-calculus mathematics 1 first, because of course it's the prerequisite subject. For the learning outcomes or the course outcomes, you are expected to determine whether two propositions or predicates are logically equivalent, to construct truth tables, to use and interpret set notations correctly, construct and understand proofs of mathematical propositions which use some standard proof techniques, to determine whether a given relation is an equivalence relation, to obtain the equivalence classes that arise from an equivalence relation, to determine whether a given function is injective, surjective, or bijective, to determine whether a given set is a finite, countably infinite, or uncountable, and to determine the cardinality of a given set. So this is our course outline. So for the first 2 weeks, we are going to discuss sets, particularly basic definitions and notations, set operations, algebra of sets, Venn diagram, counting properties of finite sets. So for the third to fourth week, so we are going to talk about principles of logics, which includes the statements, logical connectives, validity, truth table, tautologies, quantifiers. And for the fifth to seventh week, we are expected to discuss method of proofs, whether indirect, direct proof, proof by specializations and division into cases, and also mathematical induction. So for the 8th to 9th week, so we are expected to discuss relations. 10 to 11 would be functions. 12 to 13th week is integers. 14 to 15th week is binary operations. And for the 16th week, so we have the introduction to mathematical system. So these are the possible references that we can use for this course. So we can use either books that are, this can be downloaded online. So we have the book of Morash, Gerstein, Ratman, Kurtz, Sandstrom, Chartland, Polimeni, and Zhang. So for the reference of the topics that we're going to cover, so this is also downloaded from this website, particularly the website of the CHED. So of course, I am looking forward to discuss with you all of these topics, and thank you for watching.